Hey bird, this is my only tree. I worked hard to grow it. Please don't eat all my fruits. If you want to eat, you must pay me something.
Eat one fruit, pay 1 gold bar, sew a bag 3 spans long, and bring it with you.
The story of the Starfruit Tree. Once upon a time, there were 2 brothers. Their parents died when they were young. When the older brother got married, he didn't want to live with his younger brother anymore. So they shared the family things. The older brother was greedy. He took all the houses, fields, and buffaloes. He only gave his younger brother a small hut and a little garden with 1 starfruit tree. The younger brother was kind. He didn't complain. Every day he worked hard. He took care of the starfruit tree and did farm work to buy food. One year, the starfruit tree had many golden fruits. The younger brother was happy. He wanted to sell the fruits to buy rice. One day, a big bird came. It was a phoenix. The phoenix started to eat the fruits. The younger brother shouted, "Hey bird, this is my only tree. I worked hard to grow it. Please don't eat all my fruits. If you want to eat, you must pay me something." The bird said, "Eat 1 fruit, pay 1 gold bar. Sew a bag 3 spans long, and bring it with you." The younger brother was surprised, but he let the bird eat. A few days later, the phoenix came again. It told the younger brother to bring the small bag and fly with it. The phoenix flew over high mountains and big oceans. Then they arrived at an island full of gold and jewels. The younger brother filled his small bag with gold. The bird said, "Take more," but he said, "No, thank you." The bird flew him home safely. Now the younger brother became rich. He helped poor people and lived happily. When the older brother heard about it, he was jealous. He went to his brother's house and asked to trade his big house and fields for the small hut and starfruit tree. The younger brother agreed. The next year, the tree had many fruits again. The phoenix came and said, "Eat 1 fruit, pay 1 gold bar. Sew a bag 3 spans long, and bring it with you." The older brother was very happy. He told his wife to make a very big bag 12 spans long. When the phoenix took him to the island, he took a lot of gold. He filled the big bag and his pockets too. The phoenix tried to fly, but the gold was too heavy. The bird told him to throw away some gold, but he didn't listen. The phoenix got angry and shook its wings. The greedy brother fell into the sea, and he never came back.